WD-40 Bike Dry Lube works best in dry and dusty conditions, providing long-lasting lubrication and protection for your bike chain. First, place the bike on a stand so that the rear wheel is free to turn. Also, place a rag under the chain to catch any excess lube. To apply, place the drip applicator just above the chain over the cassette and apply directly onto the chain while turning the crank slowly in a counterclockwise direction. This will ensure deep lubrication on the entire chain. Its precise drip applicator minimizes any wasted product, making it easier to apply just where you want it. Make sure to wipe off any excess lube when finished. The oil penetrates directly into the links of the chain before drying, leaving a very thin, active layer to provide longer-lasting lubrication and reduced wear and tear. Regular lubrication will help reduce friction and wear on chain links, ensuring optimum drivetrain performance.